Is the RCN210 still worth buying for your older Volkswagen in 2026? That's what we're breaking down today, and I'll give you 5 key reasons to help you decide. If you're on the fence about upgrading, this video will help you make the right choice. First point, lower price point for budget builds. If you're working with a really tight budget and just need basic Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls and music streaming, the RCN210 gets the job done without breaking the bank. It's a solid budget option for older Golfs, Passats, and Polos. Second point, it keeps the factory look. The RCN210 is designed to match the original Volkswagen dashboard styling perfectly. If you're going for a completely original look with modern connectivity, it fits right in without looking out of place. Third point, no wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. This is the biggest downside in 2026. The RCN210 only supports wired connections, and even then, it's not full-featured. If you want the convenience of connecting your phone automatically every time you get in the car, you'll want to step up to the RCD360 Pro 3S. Fourth point, no premium sound support. Just like the RCD330, the RCN210 doesn't work with factory premium sound systems from Volkswagen like Dynaudio or Fender. If you've got that upgraded audio already, the RCN210 won't let you use it. Fifth point, older technology and no updates. The RCN210 platform is pretty dated at this point. You won't get any software updates, new features, or security improvements. What you see is what you get, and it's not going to get better over time. So who should actually buy the RCN210 in 2026? If you're on an extremely tight budget and don't care about wireless connectivity, it's still an okay option. But if you can stretch just a little bit, the RCD360 Pro 3S gives you way more modern features for a small price increase. Check the links below to find the best current price on the RCD360 Pro 3S, and let me know in the comments if you're still considering the RCN210 for your build.